In this video, we'll show you how to export passwords from your Google Chrome browser. So to do this, click this three dot icon at the top, go to passwords and autofill and then select Google Password Manager. Now here click on this three horizontal lines and then select settings. Now here you will need to go to export passwords and then click on this download file button. Now simply enter your PIN to verify your identity. Chrome will ask you where you want to save the exported file, so I'm just going to save it in the downloads folder and then hit save. Once the export is successful, you can open the file explorer window, go to the downloads folder and your exported file will appear like this in CSV format. Now if you want to use this file in a different browser or with a different account, all you have to do is find the import passwords option in your browser and then select the file. Once you have selected the file, click on open and as you can see, all the passwords are now imported. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.